Hi guys, it's Mrs. Tucker. I hope you're having a very good week. I want to go ahead and talk to you about a couple of things before we get started. So first, I want you to go to this particular item that I posted last week. If you scroll down, so it should be week 5, and then here, if you go down to week 4, late work policy. So guys, a lot of you are turning in a lot of items super late, and unfortunately, it's really stressful as a teacher to get this many items super late. I have been really lenient with late work, even not many penalties at all. But starting yesterday, Monday, I need you to understand that there will be a penalty and there will be a cutoff. Please make sure you understand if there is a due date for each assignment on Google Classroom. If there is no due date listed, most likely it's an information lesson. It's not something I want you to give me or turn in. For each assignment, I will give you a 24-hour grace period. So if something was due today, February the 2nd, I will give you 24 hours till February the 3rd, and I will give you no grade penalty at all. After that grace period of 24 hours, 1 day, you will lose 5 points per day. I will no longer take anything after 3 school weeks late. 3 school weeks. So Monday through Friday is 1 week. Monday through Friday is 2 weeks. Monday through Friday is 3 weeks. I gave you an example. If an assignment is due on the 1st, you turn it in on the 2nd, no penalty. It's in that grade, in that grace period. If it is due the 1st, you turn it in the 5th. So remember, I don't count off for the 2nd, but I count off for the 3rd, the 4th, and the 5th. So that's 15 points off. Plus, remember, any deductions you may receive for wrong answers or incorrect information. If something is due on the 1st and you turn it on the 26th, I will not accept it because it's past the 3 school weeks. Now, since I just sent this out yesterday, any assignments from January 5th to January 28th will still be accepted. But you need to still get those into me soon, guys. You need to get those into me soon. Now, the other thing, guys, let's look at today's assignment. So you're going to be doing a survey. I know when I attach these 2 links look the same. The first link is always your attendance check-in. The second link is the actual survey. The survey today, guys, is pretty simple. It is really based around Avid recruitment and your schedule for next year. You'll include your last name, your first name, your ID number, and the first question is, will you be returning to Avid next year? It's either yes, no, I'm still not sure, or I want to, but not sure how it'll fit my schedule. Normally, that's the answers that I get. You either know that you're coming back, you know that you're not coming back, you're still kind of on the fence, there's some things that you really like, but some things you don't, or you absolutely want to come back, it just doesn't fit. Now, I am going to ask you guys to help with Avid recruitment. We need current 8th graders, 9th graders, and 10th graders to join Avid next year. How can you help? Can you call or text your friends and ask them to join? Can you use social media to encourage my friends and followers to join? And please remember, on social media, Alvin High School Avid does have a Twitter and an Instagram. Are you willing to record a short video about how Avid has helped you and benefited you, and allow us to show that to other people? If you record the video, guys, yes, it will go out to other students to see. If this is something you're willing to do, I will send you details. Or if you feel like you cannot help at all, maybe you're not coming back next year, you really didn't like Avid at all, maybe you can't help recruit, okay? I am going to ask you to answer. I think some students do not join Avid because, and just give me a reason. Why do you think people do not join Avid? Sometimes people don't don't understand Avid. I think something we need to explain better about Avid is what. And in your opinion, what is the best thing about being in Avid? So even if you're not coming back, what was the best thing about your experience? Now, one thing I will add, I've noticed here, if this is I want to or not sure, I will probably reach out to you just to say, hey, is there anything I can answer for you why you're not sure? Or if it doesn't fit in your schedule, let's look over your schedule and let me give you some options, okay? Now, if you guys ever have any questions about your schedule, about what we do in Avid, and let me say, especially my 9th graders, I really need your help reaching back to those 8th graders at Harvey and Alvin and Fairview. You were just with them last year on campus, okay, not the end of the year, but they were 7th graders when you were 8th graders. So I know that you know there's somebody that could benefit from Avid. All right, guys, that's all you have to do for me today. Complete the survey. Have a great day.